The Victor electronic rat trap is the ultimate in rodent control. It works by delivering a humane high-voltage shock to eliminate rats that enter the chamber. Convenient LED light alerts let you know when there's a catch or when the batteries are low. The sleek design features a removable lid and built-in bait door to ensure proper baiting every time. Follow these steps to get started. Make sure the trap is turned off, then insert 4C batteries. Open the bait door located at the back of the trap. Apply a small amount of bait, such as peanut butter, in the bait cup. To avoid transferring your scent to the trap, use a toothpick or utensil to apply the bait. Close the bait door and power the trap on. The green light will flash and the trap will buzz to show it's working. Place the trap along a wall where you've noticed rodent activity. Once you've made a catch, the green light will flash again. To dispose of rodents, turn the trap off and remove the trap lid. Discard the rodent in the trash without ever having to touch it. With the Victor electronic rat trap, you can win the never-ending battle against rodents.